see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Uy, baba ka. Uy. Come on, say hi.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! So, alam niyo naman yung title ng ating vlog today. Today is the try-on-haul si Holly. Eto, mga nabili ko to sa Kmart kasi malapit na yung winter. Yes, baba. We're gonna do this first. Eto, pinasot ko na yung una. Eto yung dark blue na mayroon siyang mga may pa-raffle-raffle siya dyan. Oh. And may details din yung dito niya sa harap. Ayan. Say hi, guys!
Hi guys!
And then, yung reklamo ko lang dito sa likod kasi mahirap i-butonin siya kasi hindi siya elastic. Maganda sana kung elastic to. Ano kasi siya, tela, katulad nito. So, mahirap siyang, madali siya. Okay lang siyang ipasok. Pero pag tinanggal siya, hindi siya ganun kadali. So, ayan. Size 2 to. And then, eto naman, luma na tong leggings ni Holly. Hindi to. Meron akong binili ulit ng mga leggings. Nasaan na yung baba? Meron akong leggings na binili. Kasi maganda to. Magkano to?
Mama, look.
Oh, nasan yung price? Basta mura lang to. Hindi pa to nag-5. $3.50 or $4.50 to.
Mama.
Yeah, they can see you. Ayan, bumili ako ng isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat na leggings. So, size 2. Eto, kasi maganda yung show your leggings. Eto, yung dati niya pa tong leggings. Come on, baba. Up. Ayan. Show your leggings, baba. Show your leggings to them. Ayan. Maganda siya kasi, lang siya. Fit na fit talaga sa kanya. And then, baba. Eto, gustong-gusto ko to. Ito yung knitted na, anong tawag dito? Hindi naman siya. Basta, ayan. Ayan, meron siyang pabalahibo dyan. Yeah. Eto, naman to? $20 lang siya, diba? Ang ganda niya na for $20. Come on, baba. Show it to them. Ayan. Oops, here. Size 2 rin ito. Come here, not too close because they can't see you. Ayan.
You see me?
Yeah. Okay, go farther, baba. Go there and walk. Go.
My puppy.
Where's your pocket? Oh, may dalawa siyang pocket. Come on. Okay, straight to them. Go walk. Here. May salamin kasi dito. Ayan, oh, may salamin siya para makita niya yung sarili niya.
And not in the body.
Straight to them, baba. And turn around. And then smile. Smile. So, eto, $20 lang siya. And then, ang ganda siya kasi... Wait, baba, wait! Frame pa nga si mama.
I'm showing mirror.
Okay. So, ayan, $20 eto. And,
So fun.
bumili rin ako ng... Hoy, baba! Scarf! Magkano to? Ayan, buti na nandito pa yung price. Ayan, $7 siya, oh. Knitted din siya na light pink. Ayan. Okay, mommy, remove this. Wait. Okay, straight to them, baba. Ayan. See? Is it pretty? Wait, baba. Nagmamadali naman tong model natin. And then, where is the... Ayan, binilang ko rin siya ng pambahay na...
Mine.
What's this? Boots. Ayan.
It's mine.
Ano to? Magkano to?
It's mine.
$12.
Mine, Mama.
Yeah, okay, wait. May gunting ako dito. Wait, baba. Pasensya nyo na. First time namin magganito ni Holly. Buti na lang nakikisama siya. Oh, show it to them. Far. Go for, baba. Hindi, you have to walk. You have to walk. Oh, look. You have to walk. Wait lang. Hindi pa pala nakapas. Ay, sorry, baby. Okay, show it to them, baba. No, here, go further. Okay, like this, oh. Do this. Come on, may mirror kasi siya doon na. Ano siya sa mirror, oh. Is it pretty? Come on.
Yes,
You like it?
yes.
Hey, baba. Good girl. Then, meron ulit akong binili sa kanya na, eto naman yung pini, ayan. Come on. Mayroon siyang mayroon siyang paganyan, oh.
Not again.
Not again. Come on, this is here. Oh, this is good for your, wait.
It's not simple.
This one. Wait, we're just gonna, so pag sobrang lamig.
See?
See, wait. And then may gloves din siyang, wait, don't do that. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayun naman tong... Open your... Yeah. Okay. This one here, Baba. Okay?
Yes.
So, ayan.
And
Oh.
the bar is for my sister.
Yeah, look at them. Show it to them.
And
Ayan.
the bar.
Ganda. Ito, $7. Tapos, itong beanie, tsaka may gloves na kasama, $9. So, yan, Baba. And, may binili ako sa kanyang... Baba!
Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig. Magkano na to si Peppa Pig? Kasi pinakialaman niya na to si Peppa Pig. Where's the other one? Magkano si Peppa?
Perfect, Mama.
Kasi pinakita niya to sa papa niya. Asan na to? Pero mura lang naman to si Peppa. Wala pa yata tong $20 or 20. Hindi ko alam. Asan na yun, Baba? Kasi pinakaalaman naman itong batang to. Oh, come on. Try this, Peppa.
Peppa? Peppa Pig?
Peppa. Siya nagpili nito.
Peppa Pig. One Peppa Pig.
Pardon?
One Peppa Pig.
You want Peppa Pig?
Yes.
Let me see. Gusto niya raw ng Peppa Pig. I don't think this is gonna fit, Baba. Okay, I'll check.
Oh.
Oh, come on here.
Peppa
Okay,
Pig.
go there.
Hi.
Show it to them. Do modeling. Come on there. Oh, show it to them. Go modeling. Go. Oh, okay, pose there, Papa. Pose there. Oh, go. Okay, do modeling. Okay, you're happy. Go there. Oh, turn around. Oh, yan. And yung next is, eto, nabilang ko siya ng, what's this?
Beat.
Boots. $12. Nag-iilaw to. Show it to them, Baba. Wala kang medyas eh. Come on here. Okay? Is that right? Or maybe you have to put... Kasi binila ko rin siya ng mga medyas, oh. Tinanggal-tanggal niya na.
So I'll just,
Marami to. Asan na yung iba, Baba? Eto, 4 to. Yung isa, sinuot niya na 4 na pairs. Ayan. Na ba ni Baba? Isa nito. Akin na pipipin. 2, 3. You want white? Wait. And then, meron din na maliliit. 4 na pairs. 2, 3. Nasaan yung isa?
it's too big one.
Ha? Nasaan? Nawawala yung isa. Basta 4 siya, oh. Come on, Baba, oh. Come on. Show it to them, your boots. Come on here. Unicorn yung ano niya, yung print. Ayan, oh. Sana narinig kasi umuulan. Okay, show it to them. Go there, Baba. So they can see the... umiilaw kasi yan. Okay, show it to them, Baba. No. You walk. The light. Where's the light? Ayan.
Up there.
No, for your shoes. Ayan, umiilaw yung shoes niya. Okay, Baba. Ayan yung shoes niya. Oh, aliw na aliw siya niya nung una. You like it?
Yes.
Okay. Go show them. Modeling. Go modeling. Yeah. Okay. Ay, ano ba yan? Okay, modeling. Turn around and walk. Okay, go there again. Can you jump, Baba? Jump. Oh. Go farther there, Baba. Okay, jump. Jump there, jump. Oh, diba? And what you gonna do next? Turn around. Then, walk. You like it? You like it?
I'm finished.
Yeah, this is finished. And what else?
Not finished.
Yeah, we're almost finished. Gusto niya na matapos. Napapagod na siya. Oh my God. Wait. And, wait, Baba. Binilhan ko rin siya na eto, leggings din to. Eto, $4 to. Mayroon siyang, naiit, Baba. Mayroon siyang ganyan, no? Parang yung rainbow. Ayan. Pero hindi siya rainbow color. Oh, it's not rainbow pala. Sorry. Basta ganyan, oh. May pag-glitter siya. Eto naman, size 1 to kasi medyo malaki siya tingnan. And then, meron siyang bow. Ayan, oh. May paribon siya dito, ha? Yeah. $7 siya before. Nakuha ko na lang siyang $4. Ayan. And, binilang ko rin siyang long sleeve. Hindi ko na ito ipasukat sa kanya. Kasi, come here, Baba. Ayan, long sleeve. Pang-inner niya to. Ay, sleeping. Okay. Okay, isa dito. Magkano to? Mura lang din to. Wala pa tong $5. Ayan. Isa nito. Tapos, wala na kasi. Oh, $4 pala siya. Oh, $7 siya before. $4 na lang. Okay. Help mo. And then, eto naman, butterfly pa siya. Parang siyang butterfly, pero shoes, oh. Come on here. No, you have to show it here, Baba. Kasi may mirror nga doon, di ba? Ayan. Size 2. Ba't nakalagay dito, ano daw, 1 to 7. Hindi naman ito kakasya sa 7 years old. Girls, 1 to 7. Basta eto, size 2, eto. Uy, Baba. And then, meron pa, eto yung isa. May pasabi siyang, I love glitter cats plus rainbows. Ayan. Baby pink. So, tig $4 na lang to. Before $7 siya. And eto naman, isa pa orange. Okay. And then, white na may pusa. Baba, look. What's this? What's that?
A cat.
A cat. Meow, meow. A cat. And eto, meron naman ito. Eto pa. Ayan, puti. Wala lang. Ano lang siya. May crown siya sa top. Tapos ay may parang mga bricks. So, yan. And then, oh, nahanap ko lang yung isang medyas. Binilhan ko rin siya ng jumper. Ayan. Na meron siya. Hindi sila magka-partner, pero kulay blue siya. Nasaan na yung Baba? Nawawala na. Eto. Trackies. Trackies, eto. Ayan. Come on, Baba. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. What happened? You right?
For me.
Okay. So, eto siya. Ano siya? $10. $10. And etong trackies, magkano tong trackies? Yung trackies, ang kinuha ko is size 1 kasi pinasukat ko yung size 2. Sobrang laki pa sa kanya. As in, eto $4.50. So, parang lumalabas na $14.50 etong terno na siya. Okay, come on. Let's try this one. So, ayan, pinasukat ko sa kanya yung meow, meow na up na, Baba, so we can finish it. Come on. Okay. Ang hirap pala mag-try on hold pag, pag bata. Ha? Okay. Okay. I told you not to do because I have scissors here. Oh, ayan. Ayan, shake your top. Ito yung pang-inner niya. Ayan. No. And then, try this one. What's this? Ano to? Bunny? Ano siya? Bunny? Parang hindi. Alam ko. Ayun, basta gusto niya. Mayroon siyang, dyan, pag-glitters. Tapos flowers. Dyan, ang cute. Okay. Try this one, Baba. Okay, we're gonna remove this one. So, size 2 yung, ano niya, jumper. Come on, Baba.
Jump.
Yeah. Buti na lang, kisama siya. Oy. Come on, Baba. I'm here! Oh, shit. I'm here. Shit, to them, Baba.
I can't see.
Come. Okay, so we can finish. Come on, straight to them.
Oh, my hat.
Okay.
It's been cold.
Okay, it's cold.
Raining.
Okay, it's raining. Okay, ayan. And yung truck is Baba. Ito yung terno niya. $4.50.
Bitaw sa finger ko.
Okay. Watch daw my finger kasi it hurt. Kasi
Kabaka.
tinanggal niya, nasaktan siya. Okay, come on.
Pita.
Pinatong ko na. So, ayan. So, where's your boots? So, try your boots, Baba. Punta kayo ng farm. Come on. Okay. Straight to them, Baba. Go there. There's a sticker on your, ano, Baba? Oh, sticker. Silly, Holly. Okay. Put your hoodie.
Oh.
$14.50. Tapos, magkano to? Basta hindi yan nag-$20 yung boots na yan. $12 yata to. Okay, thank you. Ayan pa siyang isang jumper. Okay, remove this, Baba. Ang init dito kasi yung... I know it's hot because yung wooden heater namin. Grabe. Wait, Baba. Oh, remove your shoes.
No, she's free.
Ah, sorry, boots. Silly mommy. Silly mommy. Mwah. Sarap. Don't. Oh, Baba. And then, meron pa siya. Hindi ko na ipasukat. Ganun din siya. Yeah, eto yung pink. Ayan. Meron siyang, yeah, flower dyan.
No, a pink.
Hindi ito pink.
Purple.
Oh, it's not pink, mommy. Sorry, Baba. It's a purple. Tapos, ayan. Eto naman, ang cute,
I
oh.
wanna wear that.
You wanna wear this? You wanna try? Okay.
Mom,
Yeah, okay. Try niya daw. Okay, come on.
a cheek. Open. Ouchie, 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 ouchie. Ouchie, say ouch. Ouchie,
So, ayan. Oops, tanggalin natin ito
it's
ba?
strawberries.
Strawberries. Yeah, there's a strawberries there, Baba. Siya nagsabi, sukatin niya. Woo! Ayan. Ayan yung ano niya, yung long sleeve. See? Yeah. Sige nga. Oh, sleeping. Yes. Oh, where's your boots? Oh! Purple! Silly mama. Oh, come on. Ayan. Ito pa, Baba. Okay. Ito pa. And then, oh, wrong. Oh, no. Wrong. Wrong foot. Silly mommy. Mali. It was wrong foot, Baba. Okay, here. Oh, yung size to dito, ang laki talaga. Ang laki dito. Ayan. Ayan yung long sleeve. Tapos yung trackies. Tumitingin siya sa salamin. Is it nice? Huh? Okay, how about this one? Here, hurry up. So we're done. I'm here. Come on. Where's your hands? Oh, peekaboo. Okay. Hi, guys. Oh, there's a tag. Pareho lang ang pressure dito. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay. Wow. The tag. It's alright. Okay, later. Oh, wow. Okay, do modeling for mommy. Go there. Wow. Look at yourself in the mirror. You like it? Ang ganda niya, oh. Wow. No. You like it, Baba? Tingin-tingin siya dun, oh. Wow. Is it pretty? So, yan yung sa kanya. Wow. And then yung sa akin, eto yung sa akin. Tapos na yung, eto pa pala, binilhan ko si Holly ng, wow, Baba, look at this.
Pink.
You want pink? Binilhan ko rin siya nitong ipit, oh.
That's not.
Wow, let me see. Show it.
Molly Bell.
Wow!
Look at this.
It's that's it. Like that. O, parang $1 lumalabas kasi ano siya, $3. And ako, bumili rin ako. Oh, this is for Mommy. So, bumili rin ako pang bahay. Yeah. $10 siya. $10 to. So, Mommy.
Pizza.
Ha? Oops.
Mom.
Where's the scissor, Baba? Size 7, oh. So, yan. And bumili rin ako ng mga pang bahay. Eto, $9 siya. $6 na lang siya. Of Mickey Mouse. And, pang mga pambahay ba na mga long sleeve. $8 to, oh. May ano siya dyan, oh. Unicorn ba yan, of course? Unicorn horse. Unicorn, ayan. $8 siya. And then, eto, nakalagay super, oh. Ayan. Diba, mga pambahay. $8 din to. And, eto pa. So, ayan. Mga, anong size to? Size 14. Size 14 siya. And isa nito, eto, may pa. What's this, Baba?
Tiger.
Tiger. Ayan. What color?
Pink.
Pink. Oh, ayan. What color is this one?
Purple. And that's purple.
This is pink. So, yun. Yun na yung vlog, guys.
Mom.
Yun na yung haul namin ni
So
Say.
that's pink.
This is pink daw.
And
Pink.
this purple.
Oh, this is purple. Ay, confused na si Mommy. Come on. Okay, we're done. Okay, say thank you, people.
Thank you, people.
Say-
Mama, socket.
Yeah, you want to take. Okay, say please like.
Please like.
Please subscribe.
Please like.
If you haven't yet.
And see ya.
See you on our next.
Next.
See you on our next vlog. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, thank you, guys. Oh, what happened? Okay. We're gonna clean up our mess now, Baba. Daddy said you're not allowed to open the umbrella inside the house because it is bad luck daw. Kaya ayun.
Mine said, Daddy said going away.
Yeah, only when it rains, you have to open the umbrella outside, okay? Not inside. Ayun yung shoes niya. Okay.
Where's the light? Hi guys, share that popcorn.
Ria Buller.
Real Bulu.
Marielle Angeline Bukoy.
Ariel Angel Bulo.
Vanellope Risi.
Penelope Reese.
Alia Ponce.
Alia Ponce.
Faye Tayaw.
Faye Tayo.
Roxanne
Roxanne.
Sira.
Zero.
Rochelle
Rochelle.
Bagdi. Sheena Evo.
Sheena Evo. Don't forget to write hashtag ChonaAndMyKids to be shout out. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you seek.